What's up you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Look at all the sparkle and glow on me today. Oh yes, this is the last video of this year. Can't believe 2017 is already over, oh my god. But I think we can all say we had a very long and very hard year behind us. And for the last video of this year, I collected all my favorite products and decided to glow up, glam up using my favorite, mostly drugstore products. And yeah, actually without further talking, let's get to the video. I will be naming all the products I'm using. Most of them are available on internet or actually probably your local drugstore. And yeah, let's transform. I don't know why I just did that. I seriously don't know why I just did that. Alright, so we are starting out with one of my favorite primers. It's from Catrice Beautifying Primer. It's the pink one. They have a few different ones. I also have the Pure Nude or Nude Glow. I don't know what is the name, the other one, but this is a pink one and beautifying. I love it. It smoothens out your face and your pores will be almost seamless. I already in advance apologize for my lighting as usual. I'm still working things out, you guys, you know what I mean. So for foundation, I'm using an all matte Stay 24 Hours foundation, also from Catrice Cosmetics. Now this is something I can only use in the winter though, I think, because I just got like a light shade, but I seriously, the first time I've used this foundation, I have fell in love with it. Like, it gives you a full ass coverage, a matte finish without being cakey, and it does stay like all day. Okay, don't wear makeup for 24 hours. Nobody should wear makeup for 24 hours. Like, who the fuck wears makeup for 24 hours? I'm sorry for cursing. So then I'm moving in with a concealer. That concealer was from, where was this concealer? Essence. Oh yes, Camouflage concealer from Essence. The reason I love it, because first it's cheap AF, like it's like €2 in the drugstore or something. And it also gives a full coverage. It doesn't really crease or anything, and it dries fast but not too fast, so you always have enough time to blend it out. So I'm just going to conceal the parts of my face that usually I have to conceal. And the beauty blender I'm using for it is also from Essence. I love this beauty blender. It's so squishy, and whenever you damp it, like you wet it just a little bit and it doubles the size. Also, it has a quite unique shape, and because of that it makes it a bit more easier to blend anything out. It also doesn't really have like a spongy feeling like most beauty blenders do, but yeah, it is just soft and it's awesome to blend. Like seriously, the past 2 months it has been one of my favorite things to blend out my foundation and my concealer. I also like to use silicone sponges, but I don't know, the past few months this has been my favorite, so that's why I'm including in it. Yes, in this video. Oh my god, it's difficult to talk right now. So to set my foundation and my concealer, I'm using a setting powder, which I have used in previous videos many times because this is my holy grail. It's from Estee Lauder. It's just a normal mattifying powder, nothing special. And I also use a big face brush from Estee Lauder. I do like Estee Lauder products. I get them from a friend of mine, so you know, I can't afford it. For contour, I'm using a contouring palette from Essence. Now, y'all gotta get that palette. It's like €7. It has, I think, 6 contour shades, 6 highlighter shades, and really, it's creamy. It's easy to blend. The contouring brush I'm using is also from Essence, and it is perfect to blend out cream contour or even powder contour. So if you are looking for a cheap contouring palette and a cheap contour brush, you gotta get this one. Like, you really gotta get this one. I need a little help to contour my nose using the same palette. The palette what I have in my hand right now, it's just because it has a mirror in it, but later on I will be using that palette too, which has actually been created by one of the Dutch YouTubers. Huge shout out! Hey. So now that I'm done contouring my nose, I think I'm going to set everything with a contour powder. And the powder is also, guess what, from Essence. It is a little bit dark, but after I'm done blending it out nicely with a brush, it will be perfect. I also would like to recommend it for all my broke bitches out there. If you are looking for cheap ways to contour, highlight and blush, get this palette from Essence. It has 3 shades in it: a contouring shade, a highlighting shade, a matte highlighter though, and a little bit more of a shimmery orangey blush, which is great. Now we're gonna move on to the eyebrows. I'm using Shape and Shadows palette, which I said already was created by Dutch YouTuber. I have this palette for almost 1 year already, I think, and it is well loved. Like, I use it every day to do my brows, but as an eyebrow primer, I use it from New York Color Cosmetics. It's comes in a little palette with a primer and just some powder in it to fill in your eyebrows, and I only use the primer. The shade I'm using to fill in my eyebrows are from the Shape and Shadows palette Audrey Highbrow. It is a nice brown shade. It's not too dark, it's not too light. Since right now I have blonde hair, of course I cannot go for a really bold brow. Not that I have ever been like actually a huge fan of bold brows. I just can't do like nicer brows than whatever, never mind. So I'm just gonna fill in my brows, and yeah, like literally nothing special. To be honest, it took me like, I think like 5 months to learn how to do my eyebrows in 2017. Yes. So the thing is, like, when I used to go to high school, I never did my eyebrows. I always caked my fucking makeup on, and I have never done my eyebrows. I don't know why I never did my eyebrows. And literally I started to like literally fill in my eyebrows like a year ago or something, and I sucked at it. But this palette saved me. So now that I talked so much about the palette, I am going to move on to the eyeshadow of mine. As eyeshadow primer, I use an Essence one. Favorite, I Love Stage eyeshadow primer. And I'm going in with a beautiful palette also from Essence, all about the magical forest. It has a, oh my god, huge range of beautiful colors. The first color I am using is a lighter, I would say like light pink color, just to, of course, yeah, start out. And then we are going in with beautiful metallic purple shade and bring it to the outer corner and in my crease and just blend it right in there. Now I'm already saying it up front, I had no idea what I'm going to do when I sat down and did this video. Besides that, I'm gonna use my favorite palettes and products, so I'm not really big on eyeshadows, but I think I went out of my way. So when I'm done with my crease, I'm going to go in with a blue shade, also a metallic shade, and bring it all over my lid and blend it a little bit, just a little bit, together with that beautiful purple. Now I'm gonna go back with the purple and just harden it up a little bit around my crease area, and right next to it I'm going back with the blue to also harden it up in my inner crease, or like the middle part of my crease, you know what I mean. And when that's done, now that will like, the fun will start right here, because I was like, shit, I'm gonna go all out, like, I'ma do this. So then I go back with a pink shade and put it on the moving part of my eyelids. I did not want to do a cut crease because, well, I still need some practice for it. So I'm just gonna bring up that beautiful pink shade on the moving part of my crease. And then later on I'm going to go back with a beautiful orange shade from the same palette, just to bring it down to my upper lash line, eyelash, you know, yeah, my lash line, yes, my lash line. Oh my god, I can't find the words, what's wrong with me? in every video there is something wrong with me. Never mind. So now that this beautiful colorful look is done, I'm going to go down to my lower lash line and mix together the purple and the blue and bring it to the outer corners, and then I go in with the pink one to bring it to the middle part of my lower lash line, and totally in the inner corner of my lower lash line I'm going in with the orange shade. I used highlighter from the same palette. It's a white, almost silver shade highlighter, which actually does brighten up the whole look. So there it is. I'm gonna finish up everything off camera. I did lashes and liner, and now I'm using, oh no, I'm just showing up the products. So a super precise eyeliner from Essence and also a mascara from Essence. These were my holy grail. I'm gonna link it down below. And in the meanwhile I was baking my face. It's from W7 Cosmetics Banana Powder. After the baking was done, I was just wiping away all the excess powder of my face with an Estee Lauder brush. Now I would like to go in with a mascara, because for the past few months I have been using the same mascara and I figured that I really hate Maybelline, so I went back to what I used in the beginning of the year, and that was the Essence one. For bronzer, I'm using the same bronzer I have been using for the past 7 months. It's from Essence, I think Sunkissed or Sun Club, I'm not sure, but it has coconut smell. Like, it has such a nice smell, you guys. I think I mentioned it in previous videos a few times already, but that's the shit. Like, it is actually a little bit light, so I would recommend it for pale girls like I am. And then we're gonna move now to the funnest part, the highlighter. Oh my god, can you guys see which one I'm using? So I was actually thinking between two highlighters, the MUA White Gold one, which I have talked about a lot, and the I Love Makeup Unicorn's Heart. I chose the Unicorn's Heart. It is, oh my god, like, I just uploaded a video on highlighters like 2 weeks ago, so it was a whole rant about this highlighter, and since it's the last video I have made in 2017 and it was one of my favorite highlighters, I was like, you know what, you guys, I'm gonna just highlight the heck out of my face. Like, I'm gonna blind everyone today. To be honest, I actually, after I was done with my makeup, I am actually just going to sit in my living room and do nothing because I have no life, but you know what I mean. And who cares, you know, if you feel good, even if you're just sitting home and you feel like you gotta do your makeup and look good, do it, girl. Like, you see me, I'm sitting in front of a camera, I'm doing my makeup and I'm highlighting the hell out of my face. Like, oh my god, look at that nose highlight. My highlighter is, at this point, is brighter than my 2018 will be, probably, or my entire future, to be honest. But, oh my god, that glow. And I can't stop putting highlighter on. Like, seriously, I can go bareface anywhere, give me a little highlighter, it will change my whole mood, my whole look, everything. Okay, at this point I think I went a little bit too far because I look like an alien. You know what, who cares? Like, is there such a thing as too much highlighter? Because I don't think so. Like, I really don't think so. Look at that glow. Keep on looking at how I'm glowing. Guys, y'all gotta get this highlighter. It's like, I told you, 7-8 euros. Come on. And blinding like this, and it comes with so much product. I love it. I love Unicorn's Heart and everything that comes with it. So, as for blush, I'm using one of my favorite blushes. It's from Estee Lauder. It looks a little bit funny, I know, and it comes with a little brush, which is actually what I'm using to apply the blush itself, because I think it is just perfect for the apples of my cheek. It might seem a little bit like that I went heavy-handed in it, but don't you worry, I'm just gonna blend it out a little bit. And there, my face makeup is completely done. So for my lips, I'm going in with my favorite lip colors, and those are the berries. So as a lip liner, it's an Essence lip liner. I think it is called Yummy Berry. I'm pretty sure Yummy Berry. I don't have it in hand right now to check it, but it is Yummy Berry. I'm in love with Essence lip liners because they are like 99 cents. They come with actually quite a lot of product, and for the price it is great quality. Like, Essence Cosmetics is one of my favorite brands because it's cheap and great quality, and they always come up with something new. Like, they have so many cute and incredibly nice stuff. I don't know why nobody talks about it. Like, I seriously have no clue why nobody talks about Essence makeup so much, while it literally costs nothing. And you can find it everywhere, like in a drugstore, on the internet, everywhere. Now, as for lipstick, I'm using a lip color from New York Color Cosmetics, and it is called Brooklyn Berry. I have to buy a new one because, yeah, it is well loved. This is my ultimate favorite lipstick and liner combination on the whole of the planet. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna go on with it in 2018 as well. And as for setting spray, I'm using from I Love Makeup, just a makeup setting spray, which is awesome. It comes with lots of products. And I think pretty much that's it for the tutorial. And I'm just gonna smile it to the camera because I glow, bitches. Alright, so that's it for today's video, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed it, and if you did, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I also have an Instagram page where I am quite busy on, so I actually post 2 or 3 times on a day. So if you want to follow me on my daily life and follow my life journey, please follow me on Instagram as well. And I wish you a very, very happy and successful new year. And yeah, just make sure that 2018 will be just more sparkly, more glowy, and more happy than 2017 was. So see you guys next year, and I love you all as always.